So there's my first design, and you can probably see as I started I did very light lines, and as I got more confident that I was happy with the lines, I did them darker as I went, and sometimes I adjusted them, as you can see over there, just because it didn't quite look right. And then I started to think some things through about how it would open and things as we went. So I've just drawn some little arrows to show that. So let's go with the rest of them. So there's my second one, and as I started going, I started to think of different ways, you see, of opening and closing this container, and I thought maybe a ribbon to hold it together with a lid that comes on and off. That's another idea. So you can see how ideas start to flow as you go through different designs. So with this one here, I was thinking particularly of the economics of getting that biscuit to fit in as easily as we can, so having a shape pretty much the same as the biscuit, and then some other ways of how it might be attached, whether it be attached on clasps, little strap sort of things there, and maybe even a hinge on one side in sort of opening and closing, a bit like a clamshell might be. So this one I was thinking more of the matchbox type design where you can slide one box in and out. That one would be a bit harder to construct, but it's certainly got the advantage of being easy to open and close, but it would probably also need some sort of strap or some form or way of keeping it closed too, and safely getting from one place to the other that way. And this one here is a bit more like a chest, a very small chesty sort of thing, which the top lid opens up sort of hinged on this joint here, and a little bit deeper I thought would be good too, to fit some more of that cushioning packaging material there, and a way of keeping it closed, and an easy way of checking to see if it's all right. So there's a few of my designs, and now my task would be to just say, okay, which one of these can I develop a little bit further? Which one would I might choose now as being a design which I think has got a good potential to be a good package for the box? And I think, after looking at all those through, I actually think this last one that I drew has probably got the most potential from what I can see as being something I can build quite easily. Do you see how ideas developed as we went through until I came up with one which I thought was actually probably better than all the others?